Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add alarm button and control center using iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the control center, then tap. Then after that, in the control center, scroll down and go to more controls, then find the alarm. And as you will see, there's a positive sign located on the side of the alarm. And then all you have to do is just tap the positive sign until it appears on the included controls. And if you want to check it, if it is on your control center, just drag down the right side of your screen. And as you will see that the alarm button is already appear on your control center. And that's it, we have successfully added alarm button and control center using iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!